Right now, I am going to quickly show you how to remove the background on any image on your iPhone. You do not need an external app for this. You can essentially Photoshop this image right on your iPhone. So first, get to the picture you want to do this with. Click on the picture to remove that border. Then click and hold the part of the image that you want to cut out. In this instance, it's me. You saw that white graphic go around it. Now you see this other graphic here circling the image, showing you where it's going to cut it out. You can copy it and paste it, or you can just click to share it. So here I am going to save the image, but you could do anything else you wanted with it: email, Dropbox, message, whatever you have as far as external apps to do that with. Now, does it do this on images that are, this one's got a very clear background, but what if it's got more stuff in the background? Yes, it does actually. So again, click and hold the thing or object you want to cut out. And again, we got that nice little graphic circling it. I'll go ahead and share it, save that image. And so there you go. You see it has turned it into a PNG. You could use it for whatever you want. If you're a YouTuber and you want to use that graphic there, really it's up to you how you are using these. So there you go. That is how you quickly Photoshop an image right there on your iPhone. No external app needed. Hope you found that fun and helpful. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.